Hi everyone, this is Evelyn. I'm a Salesforce certified Pardot consultant. Today we're going to be talking about importing prospects. In Pardot Lightning, you are going to go up into this Prospects tab. You are going to choose Import Prospects. If you want to add them one by one, you could select Add Prospect and fill in those fields manually. But for this example, we are going to do a bulk import. So I've chosen a CSV file that has my first name, my last name, and my email. If possible, import by CRM ID to guarantee that new prospects are linked to corresponding Salesforce leads or contacts. If this came from maybe a Salesforce report that you had a lead or contact ID, you could select this option here. Since I don't have a Salesforce record here, I'm going to create one using email address. You are also going to select this compliance box which says that you have permission to email the prospects you are uploading. You are going to hit Next. This is the field mapping from the column headers to product fields. Occasionally, if it doesn't recognize your header row names, and it will show up as Do Not Import. For example, if email said business email and it didn't recognize that and it showed up as Do Not Import, you can hit this drop down and select email. Beware that the first row in the import file is reserved for headings and is ignored during the import. If you want to override the existing prospect data with this import, you can check this box. You do not have to, that's just an option. You hit Next. This is where you are going to choose your source campaign for this prospects. I'm going to choose this one, Salesforce Pardot Sync, just for an example. Pardot recommends not changing any campaigns of existing prospects because Pardot campaigns track your prospect's first touch point, and each prospect is attached to a single campaign in Pardot. If you would like to add a tag to the prospects you're uploading, maybe for future segmentation, you could do that here, or you could do that later. The next step is to select your action. So you have some options here. The most commonly used actions are import prospects and add to list, or import prospects and have them live in Pardot, not associated with any of the lists for now. If you want to undelete the people who might have been in the recycle bin, you can select this option here. This will essentially wake up any prospects that you have previously sent to the recycle bin and re-add them to your Pardot mailable prospects. We are going to import prospects and add them to a list. Hit Next. And select the list for your imported prospects. Click Next. Here is where you are going to verify the field mapping and the import data. After reviewing, select Confirm and Save. This will take you right back to the Imports window. Pardot sends an email when your import is finished processing. Thank you very much for joining me. This is all about importing prospects. Please feel free to check out my other how-to videos on Pardot features.